Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can buy crypto on Binance app. It's really fast and easy, and let me show how. So first, if you don't have a Binance account, you need to have one, and if you don't have it, I will leave the link in the description below so you can register and get 5% more your crypto on your first deposit. And the second step you need to do here is deposit some money. So what you need to do here is you need to go on the bottom right corner, select wallets, and then look for overview and then press on deposit, and then you can deposit crypto itself, few cryptos, and you can deposit fiat money or cash. So select cash, select the currency. For me euro because I live in Europe, and as you can see here I have few options. I can do with the bank transfer, bank or credit or debit card, and other more. But make sure before you deposit money you need to verify accounts. So this means you need to put your some sort of ID, driver's license, passport or whatsoever, and some utility bill. I believe that you need to verify your address, right? And then the next step what you need to do here is you need to make sure that the crypto that you want to buy is basically supports your fiat money. So there's two ways. If supports, you can buy directly, and if not supports, I will show you how you can do that. So if you go on markets, and let's say I want to buy Ethereum for euros, right? As you can see here, there is this option. I can press buy, I can set a limit, or I can buy on market price. I can basically put the amount of euros I want to buy Ethereum and buy, right? And for example, if I want to buy a NEO, as you can see here, NEO, it not supports any of the euros or other crypto fiat money. So but I see that I can basically trade NEO to trade Binance coin to NEO. And if I want to get BNB, which is Binance coin, I can see that I can get it with euro. So first I need to get a BNB in the same way, and once I get a BNB, then I need to go back again, look for example NEO, and then look with BNB, and now I can trade a Binance coin to NEO in the same way, right? So guys, that's pretty much it. If I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.